Good morning. Today is Tuesday, March 20th, 2018, and this is the Wake Up Call with CJ Halleck. It's time to get up. All right, so the thought of the day today is hurt me with the truth, but never comfort me with a lie. And the reason I do this is it's something I've talked to a few people over the last couple weeks about. The more you do when it comes to putting out content and things of that nature, the more you do stuff like that online, the more you're going to be getting a lot of people talking trash. And you'll get people who will talk to you, to your face and give you words of encouragement, and that's all fine and great, but behind your back they're meeting with your other friends talking about how you're wasting your time or whatever the case may be. And so this is something I really stand behind as a person looking at it, with my friends talking to me and me talking to my friends or family or just the people you interact with. Don't concern yourself with hurting people's feelings if you're actually coming from a place of love with truth. And it has to be those two together. You cannot just blare out the truth with the intent to hurt somebody, but it's best to actually go at it, with love and compassion and give them the truth than it is to try to lie to their face and say you're doing a great job, and then turn around and speak what you consider to be the truth with other people instead of with the person that you have the issue with. So it's just a thought for the day. Be nice, but be honest with each other. Love each other. Don't use the truth to hurt each other on purpose. It's not smart. But that being said, that is the wake up call today for terrific Tuesday, March 20th, 2018. Hope everyone has an amazing Tuesday. Be great. Stay boosted. And we'll see you at the top. Have a good one.